So we are going to see how to set up Nmap. Okay, so open your web browser, Microsoft Edge or any web browser, and then we are going to search for Nmap setup on Windows, or Nmap download for Windows. Okay, so click enter. From there we are going to click on this first link. As you can see, we have different options, but we can click on Zenmap GUI. So let's click on that. Okay, so from there we are going to be taken to this web page, and then we can go click Nmap download page, and then we can select Windows. We can select our operating system. Okay, so in this case we can scroll down. Let us scroll down. So we can scroll down. So when we click on Windows, there we are going to be taken here to this part, and then we can click on nmap setup.exe. So from there we are going to start downloading. Okay, as you can see, but I'm not going to download because I've already downloaded that file. I'm not going to download. Okay, wait for the download to finish. Okay, and after finishing we are going to go inside our downloads folder, because it's where we can find our downloaded file. Okay, so from there we can search for Nmap. Okay, so let's go and search for Nmap. We can search for Nmap like that. Okay, so from there, as you can see, it's right there. Okay, and then we can right click, and then you can run as administrator. You can click that. Okay, and after clicking that, we are going to get this setup, and then we can click I agree, and then we click we can we can take a look at these options, and then we can click next. From there we can select the installation folder, and then we can click install. Then the installation is going to start. Let's wait. It's going to take some time. Let's monitor it. Okay, let's wait. So we are getting something it wants to install here. Let's take a look at it. It's right there. Okay, so as you can see, npcap. Okay, so we need to click I agree, and then we can click on install if we want to install it. Okay, so let's follow this setup. So let's install it. Let's install pickup, and after installing, let's wait to see what's going to happen. Okay, it's installing. Let's wait. Okay, installing DNDI's filter driver. NDI's filter driver. Let's wait. Okay, we can click on show details to see the details, to see what the installation is doing. Okay, so let's wait. So we are done. Okay, as you can see, completed, and we can click next, and then click finish. Okay, so from there Nmap setup is going to continue, and it's going to finish so fast, and as you can see, we are done. Okay, and we can click on next. Okay, and then next, and then finish. Okay, so from there, as you can see, we get this icon on our desktop. Okay, and we can double click on it, and after there Zenmap, which is the graphical user interface of Nmap, is going to start. Okay, and we can also go inside the terminal, and then we use the Nmap commands. Okay, you can also go inside the terminal. You can go inside CMD or PowerShell, and then you start using the terminal. Okay, or you can just search for Nmap, and then click run as administrator, or you can click on open. Okay, anything you want to open the Zenmap GUI. Okay, or the Nmap GUI. Okay, so let's wait to see our GUI. Let's wait. It's going to start. It's going to start. It has started. As you can see, Zenmap has started, and you can start doing your scans. Okay, you can perform different scans, intensive scans. You can many different scans. Okay, you can perform them right here without needing command line interface. Okay, so thank you.